it, I think I found it. My cherry cola, she gon' keep me sober. Let me keep it closer, hold me like a soda.
Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to make this. And this is what it looks like. It's a little cake and there's nothing on the back. It looks like. And yeah, so let's get on with the tutorial.
So basically the supplies you're going to be needing is paper, scissors, tape,
Pencil. So the first thing I ended up doing is doing a rough outline of the cake that I was gonna make. And then I outlined it with Sharpie. Then I started outlining like the frosting and everything. And then I started coloring it in. Done. Then I started cutting out my cake.
I'm wasting trees.
But no worries, I'll use it later whenever I do my other squishies.
So basically what you're going to do is you're going to take a piece of tape and you're going to take the first layer, or your main part, and you're going to put it over it. And it's going to be like this. And make sure you have some stuff along the edge, and I'll explain that later. Like a little pocket. So basically you're just going to take it like this. Line it up. And then you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut along here. You're just going to cut a little tiny slit so you can fold it over like that. Oh, yeah. That. And then I'm going to do that all the way around along our edges, and you're going to keep cutting it and folding it over like this, and you're going to keep cutting it all the way around, little tiny slits like that. And then I will show you the next. Alright, so I just got that piece that I just taped down. You can see it goes from here to here. So this is still paper and not like the shiny stuff. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to put another piece of tape over it, and we're going to leave a little hole so we can stuff it later. So basically I did this edge, and this edge, and I sealed it up. And also another tip, the more like sealed it is, like the more like you get all the tape around the edges perfectly, the more squishier and surprising it will be, and the more area it will be. So basically I have a little pocket right here, and we are going to fill this with either trash bags or stuffing.
Stuff.
Get it to about this point where there's a little bit extra stuffing coming out, but that's okay because we won't use this later, and it'll make the squishy a lot more better. What you're going to do is you're going to tape this up, and it's going to be your final product.
So this is what it looks like. So yeah, so if we get this video to 5, maybe 6 likes, I'll do a Luna squishy tutorial, which is Luna. I don't know if you know who Luna is. She is my pet rat, and I will do a tutorial on a squishy like that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was helpful to you, and yeah, so make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!